Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to design an animated line in Figma. This effect is perfect for adding motion and visual interest to your designs, whether you're working on a presentation, website mockup, or any project that could benefit from subtle animation. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the project where you want to create this animated line. Make sure you're in the correct file before proceeding with the next steps. Now look at the bottom of your screen and click on the pen tool. Use it to create a line or path in your desired shape. This will serve as the foundation for your animation, so take your time to get the shape exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied with your path, click on the rectangle shape tool at the bottom of the screen. Drag this rectangle over your path, positioning it carefully so it covers the line you just created. This rectangle is what will create the animated effect. On the right side panel, find and click on Fill. From the options that appear, click the gradient icon and set it to linear. Now adjust the two colors in the gradient. This gradient is crucial because it creates the appearance of the line being drawn or moving along your path. With your gradient set up, it's time to combine these elements. Select all the elements you've created so far by clicking and dragging over them or using Shift-click to select multiple items. Head over to the right side panel again and click the mask icon. This will mask the rectangle to the shape of your path, creating that clean animated line effect you're after. Now, with everything still selected, press Ctrl-G on your keyboard to group these elements together. Grouping keeps everything organized and makes the animation process smoother. While the group is selected, look at the right side panel and click the component icon. This converts your design into a reusable component. Next, click the variant icon right next to it. Variants allow you to create different states of your design, which is essential for animation. On the left side panel, you'll see variant 2 inches has been created. Click on it, then select the rectangle within that variant. This is where you'll create the second state of your animation. Adjust the size of the rectangle by dragging it to the left. This change in position between variants is what creates the animated movement. Now click on the Prototype tab on the right side panel. This is where the animation magic happens. Connect the default variant to variant 2 by clicking and dragging from the default state. In the settings that appear, make the trigger after delay and set it to 10 ms. This determines how long before the animation moves to the next state. Then connect variant 2 back to the default state and apply the same settings. Set the trigger to after delay with 10 ms. This creates a continuous loop of animation. Now on the left side panel, click Assets. Find and drag the component you just created onto your canvas. This places an instance of your animated component. To preview your animation, click the play icon in the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your line animating smoothly, creating that dynamic effect you designed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.